Hey everybody, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day, and hope all of you guys had a awesome Christmas, and hopefully you had time with your family, with your loved one, with your friends, and were able to enjoy. We had a awesome time with my family, and pretty much it was awesome, right? All the families coming together. We get to open the presents, open the gift, uh, and have lots of awesome food. So that's Christmas is all about that. Having fun. But today on this actual video, I wanted to uh, walk you through on what we have actually been doing in terms of Faceless channel and creating passive income using our automated channels. And if you have actually been following me on Facebook, like I consistently post about our channels, our students' channels, our interviews that we have with our one-on-one mentoring clients. And if you haven't been following me on Facebook, you can check it out. If you're actually watching this on YouTube, I'll leave a link for my Facebook profile just below this video, so you can check it out. But if you're actually watching this on Facebook, just let me know where you're watching this from, because I know there's like a lot of people from different parts of the world actually been following me. They've been messaging me, and they've been so awesome, because they've been supporting me all throughout my journey, and it has been really, really awesome, right? So I wanted to share with you a channel that we literally started, I believe, beginning of January, and the figures and everything I'll be showing you very soon. And you can actually see the channel revenue, what is actually been making. But why I'm actually so happy on this particular channel that I'm going to be showing you is because we haven't been uploading that many content on this channel, but it has been able to build us consistent income and consistent core-based audience and fan. And because of that, we have actually been consistently generating income using these automated channels. Okay, so really excited to share this actual channel. And you must be asking, like, what is this Faceless channel? What is this all about? So that's what I'll be covering throughout this video. But let me share with you the screen so I can actually jump on this actual channel, and so you can actually see. So this is a post that I actually just did recently, like probably 36 minutes ago. Fairly brand new channel. And so I said, we are selling this channel because if you actually been following me on Facebook, like we build up channels, we get the channel in the algorithm, and we pass the channels to our clients, right? So that way they can actually take over. They don't have to choose the niche. They don't have to go and find the team. They don't have to, do the hard work, what's actually required. They don't have to buy any program. They don't have to buy any course. They just actually plug and play, So what I mean by plug and play, they can actually get the channel. We give the strategy, and they start implementing. They start to see consistent revenue coming in the bank account, right? Month after month, year after year, right? And these channels that we actually build is here to stay. We're not getting into some like trend-based channels. We're not getting into a channel that's super hard to get traction on. We get on a channel that's like very easy for us to scale, and like I've actually been doing YouTube automation since 2017, and we know the method, what it is actually required to blow up the channels, which is like awesome because I've continuously been doing that time and time. It's like it's super easy for us. And like when the client actually gets the channel, we tell you, hey, you got to do this, and you're gonna see revenue on your channel. So you don't have to wait like months or even years to actually monetize the channel, because the channel that we provide is already monetized. It's already making money, and you can actually reap the benefit. So this channel that you actually see, this is the revenue for like since Jan to December, the whole year. Okay. And not that much content that we upload, very, very little content that we uploaded in that time frame. However, it generated us close to about 7,000 US. So I'm here based in Australia. So if I actually do USD to AUD, probably close to 10K. I'm guessing. Let's see. Yes, so 10,000 we already made, close to 10,000, 10,100. Yeah, 10,267 we've actually made on this actual channel, just one channel in just 1 year. And we haven't even uploaded that much videos on this channel anyway. But like another thing, it has been generating us like probably close to like 900 to 1,000 per month, right? That's taking into account we haven't uploaded that much on this channel anyway. So in the last 28 days, you can see the results on this channel. So you can see November 30th to December. So that's like close to like 28 days, made like $1,000. So if I go to the calculator, $1,000, that's like $1,500, give or take, just on one channel alone, so easy, super simple to get traction on these kind of channels. And this channel I believe can easily get to that $5,000 to $10,000 a month if you upload maybe 3 videos a week and be consistent with it. This channel will actually blow up very, very soon. And like you can actually see, like if I do like the last 28 days, you can see it's getting views here. It's not a dead channel. 29,000 views. It's already got in the last 48 hours. So, and that's like we haven't even uploaded that much on this channel anyway. So what I will say is it's easy to get traction with this channel. You don't have to go and find the team. The team is already coming with the channel. The niche has already been selected. The channel is already in the algorithm. The channel is already generating income. And we also gonna be giving strategy on how to grow the channel. So super simple. Like I personally think like YouTube is here to stay, because like when people come on YouTube, they don't have to buy anything. Like we're not actually selling anything, right? We're just uploading videos. Those videos gets views, and from those views we actually generating income, right? So super simple. And because of the AI, because of like the system that we actually following, our channel has been consistently growing revenue month after month, year after year. I don't know if you actually been following me for a while. One of my actual mentor, he also did a shout out with me. And you can actually quickly show the post I did on my Facebook. So you can see like a lot of clients that we actually mentor. And so he also did a shout out. So just wanted to quickly show that. So this is one of my mentor. I've gained confidence that helped me earn from $0 to 20K a month. So this is one of my mentor. I've got like many mentors, and pretty much because of my mentors, I'm actually where I am today. And I want to do the same for you. Like my mentors actually helping me. I also want to be doing the same for you, so you can also get to whatever goal you want. So again, thank you so much for watching. And if you're actually watching this on YouTube, you can actually click the link below the video and connect to me via Facebook. And that way you can actually stay connected, and any new things that I upload, any new niche that I actually find, you can see everything in there. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and hope you have a awesome day and also awesome upcoming 2026. Bye for now. Happy New Year's, and talk to you soon.